Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a landing page on Shopify. No coding required. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up at shopify.com and start your free trial. By default, Shopify has limited customization for landing pages, so I recommend using an app like Pastefly or Shogun from the Shopify App Store. Let's install one. Go to Add Apps, then Shopify App Store. Search for Pastefly or any page builder. Click Add App and install it. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard. Go to Online Store, then Pages, click plus icon and give it a name like Summer Roll Sale. Then create view. So sorry, store access is restricted. So then if using Shopify's built-in editor, use the text editor to add headings, images and buttons. Customize the layout with sections available in Shopify 2.0 themes. If using a page builder, click create page in the app. Drag and drop elements like images, videos, countdown timers, and testimonials. Customize fonts, colors, and layout for better engagement. To rank better on Google, don't forget SEO. Scroll down to search engine. Listing. Add a compelling meta title and description. Ensure the page looks great on mobile. Use the preview feature. Under URL and handle, create a short, memorable URL like summer sale. Click Save and then View Page. To check how it's look. Once satisfied, publish it and start promoting. And that's it. You have successfully created a Shopify landing page in 2025. Now drive traffic using Facebook ads, Google ads, or email marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.